Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the Epic Games launcher. Okay, the first step is to try to download it from the Microsoft Store. So go to the Microsoft Store. And yeah, search for Epic Games. And you'll see it here. I have it downloaded so I can't install it, but try to install it from here and see if it works. Alternatively, if you've done that and it's not working, just try to download it from the official store, store.epicgames.com/enus/download, and try it there. If it still isn't working, try disabling your firewall. How do you do that? Go to Windows Security, and on the left hand side you're going to see Firewall and Network Protection. You're going to see Domain Network, Private Network, Private Network. Click on Public Network and turn this off. It will ask you to confirm. You say yes, I'm going to keep it on because I'm okay. But try that. Okay, next try to update your Windows. This can sometimes cause some issues for some people. Go to Settings, go to Windows Update, and you'll see some updates here. Click on Check for Updates and Download Install. I need to install this, but I haven't done it because I'm lazy. And the last step, if nothing else has yet worked, is to remove previous Epic Games files. If you have them, if you've installed it previously and you've uninstalled it, then that will cause issues. So open your File Explorer, go to C, go to Program Files, 86, and then you'll see the Epic Games here, and you'll want to delete this folder, and then you want to clear the temporary files. So what you want to do is, after you've deleted this, go to here, go to Run, type in this temp, this thing, percentage thing I should say, hit enter, and this will bring you to the temp folder. It's okay to delete this. You don't need these. Just click on Control A and then delete all of them, and then try relaunching the installer to see if it works. If this worked for you, leave the video a comment saying what worked for you. If it didn't work for you, leave the video a comment saying what was the problem, and I'll do my best to get back to you.